Hello, you pretty people who are watching this video. This is Saint Shopper, and I'm here again with the review of a new product that is from Nivea. And you all must definitely have heard about this brand Nivea because you can find at least one product from this brand in every household of India or maybe around the world. You can find at least one product. And actually, I have a cupboard full of Nivea products. I use a lot of products from Nivea. It may be a hand cream, body wash, body spray, body lotion, lip balm. It has a you know huge range of products for skincare, and they are actually very effective and very nice and very trustworthy. And so today I am here and I am reviewing and the products of Nivea which are really very nice, and the product is this Nivea hand cream. So if you can see, Nivea hand cream, refreshing glycerin and aloe vera. This is for dry skin. So actually I bought the pack of 3 hand creams, of which actually I am finished with one, so I don't have that one, but I have these two left. So this is for dry skin, okay, and this one is, if you can see, hand cream, Nivea hand cream, indulging glycerin and beeswax, and this is for all skin types. Okay, so let's talk about these hand creams because hand creams are really important actually for me actually, because I care a lot about skin texture, then its appearance and texture. So hand creams are very important. You need to put hand cream every then and now in your daily life, because, and especially for girls actually love to put, actually they love to put hand creams on their hand. And I usually have at least 2 3 kind of hand creams in my handbag, so that whenever I'm out, so I can use it after washing hands, and even not washing hand, but whenever I feel dry I apply hand cream. So I have tried a lot of hand creams from different brands, and but these are these Nivea hand creams actually, these Nivea hand creams are really nice, with very mild fragrance and beautiful fragrance and very beautiful texture actually. And they really replenish your hand skin. And you can also try it on your, apply it on your feet or somewhere, but yeah, they are majorly for hand. So these are really a very great product from Nivea. Actually, I think they are newly introduced in India. So I bought a product. I bought a pack of 3 creams. There are 3 hand creams over there. So I ordered all of these, and I got this very on a very discounted price. I remember I ordered this from Nykaa. I will link it down in the description box. And I brought, I remember I ordered it and it was around 180 or something rupees for, no, actually 250 rupees I guess, for 3 hand creams. So I paid around 200 to 250 rupees for 3 hand creams and the total pack of 3 creams. And it is a really great price for hand creams, because if you are a frequent user of hand creams, you must know hand creams are really not affordable for everyone. Because, and if you go through the different brands, they have hyped price of hand creams like 500 for a very small tube, or 600, but they are really affordable. So Nivea hand creams are really great, and it does work out on every skin, and they really moisturize the skin of hand, because we wash our hands frequently and our hands are really dry, and they need to be moisturized within short time period. So you should always use a hand cream, especially girls, if they like the soft hands, if they like soft hands. And yes, I tried these both creams day and night, and they are really nice. The results are very nice. They plumps the skin, they soothes the skin, and they are very nice. You can absolutely go for it, and they are actually affordable. They are best because they are affordable. you know these things are also related, that uh, we are paying not so much amount and we are getting the best product. So this is which is the best thing about Nivea. I'll be reviewing some other products as well from Nivea, because I have used any, and I am using a variety of Nivea products, and they are actually very great. On have known this thing. And so do tell me, how do you feel about these after using, or maybe if you have used these hand creams, do share your experience and in the comment box. And if you like the video, if you find it genuine, if you find it helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Ta-da!